mean, it's like we
Hmm.
have unfortunately collaborated with the culture and set the bar pretty low for men, I think. In
Mm.
therapy, we don't expect nearly as much of men as we do of women. And boy,
But
that is just
say a little bit more about that. So, in what way don't we expect more of men? And then you'll go on and you'll talk about this idea of a radical relationship that conjures
right.
all kinds of things.
Yes.
We'll get to that in a moment. Stay with this first thing first.
Well, we really we have this mindset of men that they're not capable of too much. And so if we get them in our office, we're going to hold their hands, we're going to be kind, we're going to coddle them, we're going to, if they get defensive and shameful or angry, we're going to back off, we're going to really be very careful with these guys.
Mm-hmm.
And they pick up, they know exactly what that means, that they're not expected to do much.
Uh-huh.
That they can get away with that like they have.
Mm.
And so we are part of the culture. We aren't the old radicals that a lot of us imagined back in the 70s, or perhaps
Uh-huh.
were.
Uh-huh.
But we're part of the culture, and we, I think, are part of that mindset, that cultural mindset that is lowering our expectations of men. And I believe there's this sort of growing vortex of narcissism out there, of self-absorption, that's only getting larger for men. And so this is where sort of this radical approach, it's like we cannot go along with the cultural norm. We cannot say that's what we accept. If we want to teach men to be in relationships, we have to be willing to go deep in relationship with them.
Mm.
We
Okay.
can't sit back and be detached therapists. We can't teach couples communication. We can't just go for insight. I think we have to drop deep inside of ourselves and show up in relationship with these men.
Okay.